guys, today I'm going to read you Kit and Kaboodle Take the Train. Kit and Kaboodle want to go to Silly Willy. How will we get there? Asked Kaboodle. I will give you 2 hints, says Kit. We are not taking a car or a plane. You will hear choo-choo sounds. Can you guess how we'll get there? We are taking a train trip, says Kaboodle. Yes, says Kit. We are taking a train trip to Silly Willy. Let's pack, says Kaboodle. Kit finds a small suitcase. I hope this is not too big, she says. Kaboodle finds a big suitcase. I hope this is not too small, he says. Kit packs a few things. I'm ready, she says. Kaboodle packs a few things, then he packs more things. There is so much to pack. It will take hours, he says. Comb, camera, alarm clock, umbrella, toothbrush, toothpaste, book, hairdryer. The next day, Kit and Kaboodle go to the train station. I hope I packed enough, says Kaboodle. I hope I did not pack too much, says Kit. I'm hungry, says Kit. Let's eat a snack. I packed a few snacks, says Kaboodle. He looks in his bag. A cinnamon bun, banana, muffin, apple, slice of pizza, hot dog, slice of watermelon, donut. All aboard, says the conductor. The train starts moving. Kit and Kaboodle look out the window. Look at all the colored trees. I see a tree with yellow leaves, says Kaboodle. I found it, says Kit. I see a tree with red leaves. I found it, says Kaboodle. There is so much to see, says Kit. Let's make a picture to remember our trip. I packed a few things we can use to make a picture, says He looks in his bag. Paper, scissors, art spread, pen, pencil, palette, glue, crayon. Suddenly the train goes up. We are going up, says Kit. We are going over the mountain, says Kaboodle. Look at all the mountains, says Kit. How many can we count? Clickety-clack, clickety-clack goes the train. The train makes a fun sound, says Kit. Let's play to the beat. I packed a few instruments, says Kaboodle. He looks in his bag. Triangle, flute, tambourine, trumpet, xylophone, drum, harmonica, and guitar. Kit and Kaboodle play and sing silly songs. They make some new friends. Everyone plays and sings until conductor calls, next stop, Silly Willy. Look, says Kit, I can't believe it. It is snowy in Silly Willy. I packed some warm clothes just in case, says Kaboodle. He looks in his bag. Mitten, knitted hat, earmuff, scarf, jacket, boot, sock, glove. Kit and Kaboodle get ready for the cold weather in Silly Willy. The train stops. They say goodbye to their new friends. They gather up. There's things I packed too much, says Kit. I did not pack enough, says Kaboodle. Hooray, we're here, says Kit. What a fun trip, says Kaboodle. We make a good team, says Kit. Where should we go on our next trip? Asked Kaboodle. Skateboard, ship, sailboat, plane, canoe, bicycle, train. Did you find all the things Kit and Kaboodle packed for their trip? Alarm clock, apple, artist brush, banana, bicycle, boot, camera, canoe, car, cinnamon bun, comb, crayon, donut, drum, earmuffs, flute, glove, glue, guitar, hair dryer, harmonica, hot dog, jacket, knitted hat, mitten, muffin, paintbrush, palette, pen, pencil, plane, sailboat, scarf, scissors, ship, skateboard, slice of pizza, slice of watermelon, sock, tambourine, toothbrush, toothpaste, train, triangle, trumpet, umbrella, axle, xylophone. The end.